Hello and welcome back to Hmong Coach Camp's J series. My name is Xibfwb Yeej and today we'll be learning how to make animal shapes using our hands. Let's get started. This is a squirrel. Squirrel in Hmong is ncuav. Can you guys say it with me? Ncuav. Good job. To make the ncuav hand shape, bring both of your hands to your mouth and pretend to chew like how a squirrel chews on their acorn. So let's all pretend to chew like a squirrel. This is an ant. Ant in Hmong is ncuav. Can you guys repeat after me? Ncuav. Good job. To make ncuav, you are going to tap your fingers up and down all over your arms. Up and down like this. This is mosquito. In Hmong, we call it ncuav. Can everyone say it with me? Ncuav. Good job. To make the hand shape of a ncuav, you're going to flap your hands very fast like this. This is a frog. We call a frog kaws in Hmong. Can everyone repeat after me? Kaws. Nice job. For kaws, you will need to get down on all four and jump like a frog. So jump, jump, and jump. This is a fish. In Hmong, we call it ntsaum. Say it with me. Ntsaum. Well done. To do ntsaum, you will have to put both of your hands together like this and move your hands back and forth just like a fish swimming. That's all for now. Bye and thank you for watching again.